So, what is my solution? Well, I have three different parts to my entire solution. The first one is my artificial intelligence. It detects the mood or emotion in a text. This is used to help Sathi think of appropriate recommendations and responses to a user's answer to a question.
Well, our solution is to create an app, as you can see from the two pictures on the left, that is integrated with accessibility features and allows users to take a picture of a note or upload an existing picture from their photo library. Then the app reads the response back to the user through VoiceOver.
I also want to use this AI or this idea for teaching people how to use American Sign Language or learn American Sign Language so it's easier to communicate.